next video next day. Hopefully we can get this thing ground down, cleaned up, primed, and ready for paint. Just in case you were wondering where Miller kept his spare keys, it was right here.
The next day.
You know, I'm starting to rethink my life a little bit. Why am I rebuilding this car? Alright, we got the car pushed outside. We're going to finish getting all the paint off and prime it, since Miller didn't finish the job last time, so I guess let's get to work. One.
Ooh, that gastronomic epicure culinary crepe trousette. I hate him. Come out of there, you bladder spitting as a trapper all. Ooh, like a fresh luck, I can float it back, coronet, cut it back, crackle out of. Oh, that brasser fraction, dirty naga hunting samuels on it. Like a fresh luck, I can float it back, coronet, cut it back, crackle out of. Oh, that goodish nickel cups, ach, und strudel hecken, schlappen cup. That dirty Turkish harkeback, flatten, Borton, Philip, Bucket, Martin, Perkaluma, Burton, Durton, Boston, Atten, Barton, and that. Ooh!
Two. In true Wild J fashion, he's missing the bolt. True Wild J fashion. There you go. Officially have everything off the car. Alright, at this point, I'm just going to time lapse the rest of this for the sanding and priming. Alright, here it is the next day. Wild J would have helped with all this, but he decided to start riding BMX.
Why is my life
So I don't know if the time lapse caught it, but we got it primed up, ready for paint. So now we actually get to start painting it. Wild J chose to paint his car pink. Barbie pink. That's what color he wants it.
Ha! Gay!
And no, I'm not making this out. Strawberry shortcake pink. Pink. Barbie's dream house pink.
Barbie Dream House!
Care Bear pink.
I'll be happy for you no matter what color you choose.
Strawberry shortcake pink.
Is a very good part of this nutritious breakfast.
Rainbow Dash pink. It's like She-Ra up in here. Getting flashbacks of the Barbie aisle at Toys R Us.
We've been down this aisle already.
We've never been down this aisle. It's pink.
Face it, we're lost.
Back it up, back it up.
This is starting to remind me of Boy George on the A-Team.
Tuesday, guess who's coming to the A-Team?
Boy George and the Culture Club.
And the action is
Too marvelous for words.
so get in on the act, because things are going to be rocking and stomping
What next?
when Boy George meets the A-Team. Tuesday.
I'm rolling.
Could have had a cool looking car. Instead you wanted to look like Barbie's dream house. Ugh, you know, Sam, I apologize. You kind of built this car into what it is, and now you got to witness it being painted pink. So I apologize for all of this.
Shut up! How about that?
There you go. Now the same color as Barbie's pink Jeep.
Power Wheels' new Barbie Beach Buggy. What a way to go!
No, this was a terrible idea. It looks like a unicorn threw up on this thing. You know what? This actually kind of works. Because girls are known to be bad drivers. And Wild J's a bad driver. Roll the clips. Oh boy! Oh, I got a poop too.
The wild cleaner. Always something.
Just like a woman.
It's gonna be so much more hilarious when you're running into trees in a pink car. That's gonna be funny. Although maybe you can get a sponsorship from Pepto-Bismol. That might work. This car looks as stupid as the pink Power Ranger.
Pterodactyl! Leave my friends alone, you snake!
Why did he want his car painted like Barbie?
It's a good question. My little ponies, my little ponies. What will today's adventure be?
My little pony, my little pony.
Well, there you go. That belly ain't getting any pinker.
Pink belly, pink belly, pink belly!
Alright, break it up, boys. That belly ain't gonna get any pinker.
Alright, I'm gonna stop here for today because painting this car pink is actually making me a little bit queasy, so I'm done for the day.
The next day.
So overnight, the car actually fell off the jack stand, so the car's already pulled a Wild J. Because that is the Wild J way. Alright, here we are with the pink nightmare. Gonna start assembly on it. Get it back up on wheels. Alright, so along with this horrible pink Barbie color, we also got the Kin Blue. Going from full-on Wild J and the Stallions to My Little Pony and friends.
My little pony, my
And that's the Wild J way.
Whoops. Car already pulled a Wild J. Alright, so what's happening is it's rained the last few days and we're not in the barn right now, so the ground's just too soft to support the jack stands. They just keep sinking in like that. So we're just gonna put the beam on where it is. Alright. Got the beam partially on. For some reason, this guy's not lining up right here. Other side lined right up. Wait, you know what? I know why it's not lining up. It's because it's a princess car now. Let's try it. Ding. Look at that. You use the wand, parts go right in. Oh my goodness. All this, and I actually missed a zip tie. Wild J really was the zip tie king.
What a great party!
There we go. Maybe later we'll do a real alignment on it. Right now it's just a Wild J alignment. Just hope it's good and tighten it down. Get the rear trailing arms on. There we go. Back on its own wheels again. And steerable. Slowly coming together. Looks like a unicorn threw up, but slowly coming together.